Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and a compatible JDK. Once done, create a new Maven project to manage dependencies and build lifecycle. Make sure to select a simple archetype so you control packaging. Add the Jersey JAXRS dependency in your POM. XML now. This gives you the implementation and core APIs. You do this early to avoid class path issues. Finally, set the project's Java compiler level to match the JDK and save the configuration. Now implement the REST layer. Create a clear package like COM. Example: REST, and add a resource class annotated with its path to expose endpoints. Then create an application subclass to register resources or configure servlet mapping in web. XML, choose one method consistently. Use it get /at post and proper at produces /at consumes annotations to control media types. Once methods exist, build the project so Maven pulls Jersey jars. Run unit tests, or use Postman to hit endpoints locally and confirm you get To finish, run the app on an embedded server or deploy to Tomcat from Eclipse. Right-click project, right arrow run as right arrow run on server. Once running, call endpoints at the correct URL to validate behavior. If responses fail, examine console logs and the server's deployment descriptors for servlet mapping or context path mistakes. Also ensure POM. XML has no conflicting Jersey/JAXRS versions. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see 404s, verify resource package is registered and server redeployed cleanly. Clean and republish the project before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.